Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Coleman Xtreme is probably one of the most iconic and reliable coolers on the market, and for good reason. Whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip, a long day at the beach, or an epic tailgate party, keeping your food and drinks ice cold is paramount to enjoying your adventure. This cooler promises superior ice retention, robust construction, and ample space, making it a go-to choice for anyone who values freshness and convenience when they're away from home. We'll dive deep into its features to see if it lives up to the hype and truly deserves a spot in your outdoor gear collection. Number 5. TOURIT Small Soft Cooler Bag. Introducing the TOURIT Small Soft Cooler Bag, your perfect companion for keeping food and drinks cold. It offers a generous capacity, ideal for all your outings. Enjoy your refreshments at the perfect temperature for up to 12 hours. Its advanced insulation technology ensures your items stay cool, and separate compartments keep liquids and dry foods apart. Worry-free transport is guaranteed with its 100% leak-proof construction. The high-density, waterproof interior is easy to clean, while the durable Oxford cloth exterior resists wear and tear. Carry it your way. With a padded handle and a detachable shoulder strap, you have multiple comfortable options. Plus, convenient pockets and an elastic rope keep your essentials organized and accessible. Whether it's a picnic, beach day, camping trip, or work lunch, this cooler is designed for versatility. It's the ideal solution for storing cool lunches, snacks, and drinks wherever you go. What we like. This soft cooler offers a generous capacity for all your drinks and snacks. It keeps your items cool for up to 12 hours and features a completely leak-proof interior. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-carry option for daily work lunches or short picnics, this is a great choice. What people say. The Coleman Xtreme Portable Cooler is a great choice for keeping your drinks and food cold for extended periods. Its durable construction and leak-proof lid ensure that your contents stay secure and protected. The cooler's large capacity makes it ideal for picnics, camping trips, and tailgating events. Number 4. Kona XXL Ice Packs for Coolers. Introducing the Kona XXL Ice Packs, designed to be the perfect fit for your coolers. These extra-large, slim packs maximize your space while keeping everything refreshingly cold. Stop wasting valuable space and adding unnecessary weight with traditional ice. Our design is slim and efficient, making it ideal for coolers, shopping bags, and ice boxes. Get ready for adventure in no time. These packs freeze rapidly and absorb a significant amount of heat, ensuring your items stay colder for longer periods. Built to last, these packs are your go-to solution for keeping food and drinks perfectly chilled. Enjoy reliable cooling without the mess of melting ice. Say goodbye to the hassle of dealing with melted ice water. Store your perishables with confidence, knowing they'll stay fresh and cold. We're confident you'll love the convenience and performance. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right, hassle-free. What we like. These ice packs are incredibly slim and freeze rapidly, ready for use in under 25 minutes. They provide long-lasting cold without the mess of melting ice. If you want to maximize space in your cooler and ensure your contents stay frozen for extended periods, these are an excellent alternative to traditional ice. What people say. The Coleman Xtreme Portable Cooler is a great cooler for camping trips, keeping ice for up to 5 days. It has a leak-proof design and a telescoping handle for easy transport. The cooler is also stackable, making it easy to store multiple coolers. Number 3. Coleman 316 Series Wheeled Cooler. Introducing the Coleman 316 Series Wheeled Cooler. This cooler is designed to keep your food and drinks cold for extended periods, even in high temperatures. Its fully insulated lid and body are engineered to maintain ice for up to 5 days. This ensures your provisions stay fresh from the start to the end of any adventure. With a generous capacity, it can hold up to 167 cans without ice. This makes it perfect for large gatherings, camping trips, and tailgating events. Transporting this cooler is a breeze thanks to its 6-inch all-terrain wheels. The dual handles allow for effortless hauling over sand, gravel, or grass. The robust lid doubles as a sturdy seat, supporting up to 250 pounds. It's perfect for extra seating at the campsite, tailgate, or beach. Keep your beverages secure and within reach with 4 molded cup holders. They are designed to fit drinks and tumblers up to 30 ounces. Cleaning is simple with its stain-resistant liner that wipes down in seconds. The leak-proof drain plug stays attached and resists leaks, making draining easy. What we like. This cooler boasts an enormous capacity, perfect for large gatherings and extended trips. Its all-terrain wheels and sturdy handles make transport easy, and the lid doubles as a convenient seat. If you're planning a big event, a long camping trip, or a tailgate party, this cooler is built to handle it all. What people say. The Coleman Xtreme portable cooler has a great design that keeps ice for up to 5 days. This cooler is very durable and can withstand rough handling, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. The lid is hinged and can be opened with one hand, which is convenient when you're carrying other items. Number 2. Coleman Xtreme Rolling Cooler. Enjoy your adventures without worrying about melting ice. This cooler keeps your drinks and food cold for up to 5 days, even in hot weather. With ample space, it holds up to 84 cans. It's perfect for any gathering, from tailgates to beach days. Take it anywhere with ease. Its rugged wheels handle any terrain, and the telescoping handle makes pulling it a breeze. Cleanup is simple with the built-in drain. Easily remove melted ice without the mess. Need an extra seat? The sturdy lid supports up to 250 pounds, providing convenient seating wherever you go. This cooler is proudly assembled in the USA. It's also the official cooler of the National Park Foundation. What we like. This wheeled cooler is designed to keep ice frozen for up to 5 days, even in high temperatures. Its rugged wheels allow it to roll over any surface with ease, and the leak-resistant drain simplifies cleanup. If you need a reliable cooler for camping, beach days, or road trips where long-lasting cold and easy transport are essential, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The Coleman Xtreme Portable Cooler is a great choice for keeping your food and drinks cold for extended periods. Its durable construction and leak-proof lid ensure that your contents stay secure and protected from the elements. The cooler's large capacity makes it ideal for family outings, camping trips, and other outdoor adventures. Number 1. Coleman Xtreme Rolling Cooler. Enjoy your adventures knowing your drinks will stay cold for up to 5 days, even in 90 degrees Fahrenheit heat. This cooler is perfect for any outdoor occasion. With its spacious interior, it can hold up to 84 cans. It's your ideal companion for tailgates, picnics, and any gathering. Take it anywhere with ease. Its rugged wheels handle various terrains, and the telescoping handle makes pulling it effortless. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the built-in leak-resistant drain. Easily remove melted ice without any hassle. Need an extra seat? The heavy-duty lid supports up to 250 pounds, providing convenient seating wherever you go. This cooler is proudly assembled in the USA and is the official cooler of the National Park Foundation. What we like. This wheeled cooler is designed to keep ice frozen for up to 5 days, even in high temperatures. Its rugged wheels allow it to roll over any surface with ease, and the leak-resistant drain simplifies cleanup. If you need a reliable cooler for camping, beach days, or road trips where long-lasting cold and easy transport are essential, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The Coleman Xtreme Portable Cooler is a great choice for keeping your drinks and food cold for extended periods, thanks to its superior insulation. Its robust construction ensures durability, making it suitable for various outdoor activities like camping, picnics, and tailgating. The lid is designed to be sturdy enough to be used as a seat, adding extra functionality to the cooler. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.